In today's video, simply want to cut down on visual distractions. Blurring your background can make your video calls more professional and focused. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps needed to achieve that perfect blurred effect during your Zoom meetings. First, you need to open Zoom and either join an ongoing meeting or start a new one. If you're unfamiliar with the Zoom application, you can find it on your desktop or by navigating to the Zoom website and logging into your account. Once you're in the meeting interface, it's important to ensure that your video is enabled. Look for the video camera icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. If it's crossed out, just click it to start your video. Next, direct your attention to the small arrow, often called a caret, located next to the Start/Stop video button. Clicking this arrow will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Choose Virtual Background. This is where you can customize how your background appears to others on the call. It's worth noting that you may need to have the latest version of Zoom and a relatively up-to-date computer system to access this feature, as it may rely on your device's processing capabilities. Once you're in the virtual background settings, you'll see a variety of background options provided by Zoom. Among these options, you should see one labeled Blur. Click on this blur option. Selecting it will immediately apply a soft blur to your surroundings, keeping the focus on you rather than what's behind you. This feature is particularly handy when you need to keep your background from distracting others or to maintain privacy if you're working from a shared space. After you've selected the blur option, simply close the settings by clicking the small X at the top of the settings window, or by tapping anywhere outside of the settings menu. Your background will now appear blurred to everyone in the meeting. This simple adjustment helps create a more professional atmosphere, whether you're in a business meeting, a classroom discussion, or a casual chat with friends. Remember, whenever you start a new meeting, you might need to set the blur option again if it doesn't carry over from the previous session. Thus, getting familiar with these settings can save you time and hassle in your future calls. With these straightforward steps, you can enhance your Zoom experience, putting the spotlight squarely on you rather than what potentially messy room might be behind you. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.